thunderstorm warning for Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wind Lake, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Wind Lake, Camp Lake, Rochester, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Browns Lake, Eagle Lake, Powers Lake, Bonners Lake, Waterford North, Lake Catherine, and Caledonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm